Hey Forkers, we're here with a little exercise video. But before we do that, subscribe, pretty please. Hey Forkers, so one of the things that I think is really important and I like to do most days, especially days that I'm not doing an active workout, is to do stretches. And the stretches that I have come across that are the best are these ones that were pioneered by this man named Carl Sandburg, who was an American poet. And it said that this guy did these stretches every day of his life all the way up to his death, and the guy lived a long time. So I'm going to walk you through how to do these 10 stretches. So this first stretch is called the sun salutations. So what you do, I'm going to try to get myself full body here, is you start standing tall. You bring your hands up over your head, and you reach down and touch your toes. It's as simple as that. And you do that 10 times. Oh, that feels good. I like to bring them up sometimes like this too and just keep it straight. And sometimes I add this into it and I pull it back into like, if you're a yogi, this is like a cactus kind of pose. So yeah, do 10 of those. Next up is kicking toe touches. I am not great at these things, but essentially what you want to do is you want with your opposite leg, you want to reach up and touch your hand. So it's like, this is the idea. I can't quite get up all the way, but do 20 of those technically because you do 10 for each leg. Number 3 is side stretches. As simple as this. Again, we're going to do 10. Oh, it feels so good. We're going to do 10 of these bad boys on each side. Don't mind my little flesh showing. Oh, do 10 of those. Oh. Number 4 are trunk twists. These are pretty simple. You just go, keep your body straight, and you twist your core 10 times to each side. Oh yeah. Number 5 are barrel rolls. So those are simply, you go around and you do this all the way down. You come up. Go back around the other way. And just like the other ones, we're going to do 10 of those bad boys. You see? Oh. God, feels good. It feels good to stretch. I love it. Number 6, arm circles. So it's as simple as this. You start off small, and you have to get bigger. You do about 10 of these until your circles are pretty big. And then, I'm not counting, but then after they get pretty big, you do it reverse, and you let them get smaller as you go along. About 10, I don't know, figure it out. Maybe do 20, depending on how fast you go. They're pretty quick. 7 is alternating toe touches. Similar to the kicks, but all we're going to do is we're going to go down with our opposite arm and leg and touch each toe 10 times. So it's kind of more like doing 20. Number 8 is the funky stretch. So what you do is a good arm workout. So you have one arm up, one arm down like this, and you push it in to each other. And while you're pushing in, you balance on one leg for 10 seconds. And then you flip your arms, you switch, and you balance on the other leg for 10 seconds. Oh, I like this one. 9 and 10, it's your calf stretches. Change the angle because you need a wall for this one. So what you want to do is you first start out by you're stretching your back calf. And you do that, you hold that for 30 seconds. Ooh. So this would be 9. And then 10 on the same leg would be going in and bending it down and eating at the bottom of the calf that way. Oof. And then you're going to switch legs and do the same thing. Push back into a runner stance. And then move forward into the lower. Oh my God, it's so good. I look ridiculous, I understand. So those are your 10 Carl Sandburg stretches. Do them every day, especially if you're doing other workouts. It really just helps to get up and moving. And do them if you're not doing any other workout. Do them if you're just about to go for a big walk. A lot of the time we don't do that restorative work to ourselves, and stretches make a huge difference in keeping our muscles flexible and loose and not binding up. Thanks so much for joining me for this. I'm the former Fat Forker. If you like this video, please like it on YouTube. Please make comments, do the subscription thing. All those things help me get the word out and spread the former Fat Forker. Thanks so much.